Hi and welcome back to the new tutorial in SolidWorks. In this tutorial, we'll design this side milling cutter. Already we designed and done analysis on this component in CATIA V5. In this video, we'll design this component in SolidWorks. And in the next upcoming video, we'll do analysis of this component in SolidWorks. Please go and check out those videos, designed analysis in CATIA. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Select the front plane and select sketch command. Now select a circle command and create circle from origin point. Now give the dimension. This circle outer diameter is 50 mm. 50. Okay. And exit workbench or exit the sketch. Go to features command and select extrude command. This extrude thickness is 8 mm. In the direction, change plane to middle plane. Dimension is 8 mm. Total thickness is 8 mm. Okay. Again select front plane, sketch, create one circle. This circle diameter is 42 mm. 42. Okay. Convert this circle into construction. Okay. So this is our circle. Select convert entities and select this edge of the solid body. Okay. Select a line command and create vertical line which coincides to the vertical axis. Select. Again select line command and create inclined line. Right click and select this inclined line and convert this line as a construction line. Now option select for construction and OK. Now constrain this line. Select inclined line. This angle is 60 degree. Now select 3-point arc. 3-point arc. Select first point and second point and arc. Okay. Now constrain this arc radius. Arc radius is 23 mm. So this is our arc. Now trim unwanted lines. Select trim entities. Select this power trim and select keep trim entities as a construction geometry. And press the left mouse button and drag the mouse. Select unwanted profiles. So this is our required sketch and OK. Now exit the sketch. And select extrude cut command. Select sketch. In the direction, select through all, both. And OK. So this is our extrude cut command or extrude cut feature. Select cut extrude 1 and select circular pattern. circular pattern. Direction is circular face or circular line or circular edge. Instances are 6 and the angle between is 60 degree. And OK. Now select front plane, sketch and create a circle from origin point. The circle diameter is 15 mm. 15 and exit the sketch. Now select sketch file and select extrude command. In the from box, select surface and select this backside face. Change middle plane to blind. Distance is 1.5 mm. Select these arrows to make a reverse direction. So this is your direction. And select this merge result and OK. Now select hole wizard. In the type command, select legacy hole and the type, select counter bore. Now give the dimensions for the counter bore. Hole diameter is 8 mm. 8. Hole depth is up to last, leave as is. And counter bore diameter is 15 mm. And counter bore depth is 1 mm. And move to position tab. Select this face and constrain this point to origin point. Select point, press Ctrl button and select origin point and make it coincident and OK. We'll move to type and OK. So this is our counter bore hole feature. Now select chamfer command. Select inside and outside edge of the hole. Chamfer distance is 0.2 mm. OK. Select fillet command and select this top face, back face and this circular face and this cutting faces. Radius is 0.2 mm. OK. Thank you for watching. We designed this part in SolidWorks. In the next video, we'll do FEA analysis of this component in SolidWorks. We'll see in the next video.